Do you like sticky balls made from sweet potato? Of course you do. Why wouldn't you? Everyone does. So today I'm going to make deep fried sweet potato balls. It's the perfect snack for tea or coffee or anytime you crave sweets. Let's make sweet goodness. So this recipe is super easy. You only need 3 ingredients, which include sweet potato. You need 1 large sweet potato, around 400 gram peeled. You need 100 gram of sugar and 140 grams of sweet potato flour. So the easiest way to cook the sweet potatoes is to steam them in the microwave. Just add a little bit of water to the sweet potatoes in a bowl, cover them and put them for like around 6 minutes into the microwave. Now while it's still hot, just add the sugar and mash everything together. While it's still warm, add all of the sweet potato flour. Just be careful, it's really fine. Don't worry if it gets a little bit too thick, you always can add a little bit water, but this dough looks okay. Now we just make a roll. So in this, the thickness of the roll gonna determine the size of your balls. Now we just cut it. Now the fun part begins. Let's fry these. sweet potato balls. Mmm. Beautiful. Awesome. So chewy. Here are the sticky ones. Squeeze, squeeze.